This is Ray Smith from Ray's Forex Tips. Again, you know that I love to trade. I love to exchange currencies, and we do it through Forex trading, okay? And so we want to help you. Now, we're going to be talking about live, Forex Live, okay? You're already in it, you know, and now you've got your strategy, and you know, you want to go forth, okay? So, Forex Trading Live, how to trade, okay? One of the things is, if you want to understand how to trade, you want to have some help. You want to have an advisor. You want to have maybe a robot. You want to have someone else that you can leverage, okay? Leverage their expertise, okay? Leverage what they know, and also hold them accountable, okay? Until you can, journey out there by yourself. So, how to trade. I have an article that we're going to provide for you below on how to trade, and it's going to help you, help your strategy, help you have more confidence, and also before you start using real money, you can see how it's working for you, see if your strategy is working, okay? And then just be consistent, all right? So we're providing that for you. Also, if you are new, normally if you're talking about live trading, you're not new, but just in case you're watching this video and you're new, we have some links for you right there where you can start for free. Not for free, but 30 days actually free, okay? 30 days free, and you can get your strategy together to see if that's something you really like. But you want to prepare yourself. Investing is a good way of ensuring your future, okay? And all these videos and all these articles we're giving you is for you to leverage the information that we have against all the other information that you're doing, so that your future can be set. So whatever's going in the economy or whatever's going on, you will be set, okay? All right, so again, avail yourself to the articles. All right, hit the links and check out what we have for you. All right, God bless.